Hi, I am Edward Laveri, and welcome to Unity 5 Gameplay by Pack Publishing. I am a veteran game designer and developer and have developed using several different development tools, including Unity 5. I have designed and developed games for desktop computers, the web, and mobile devices. I also have significant experience creating simulation and business software. Over the past several years, I have focused on educational games and have worked with Unity 5 since its release. I have had the pleasure of teaching in higher education for more than 15 years in the areas of computer science, information systems, and game design and development. In addition, I have published several books, including a few with Pack Publishing. This course provides steps, procedures, techniques, and tips for instantiating gameplay in Unity 5. This video provides you with a glimpse of the entire course. In the first section, we will start with a blank game canvas and create a character controller. We will explore the anatomy of player controllers and work with skeletal structures and joints. We will also create and interact with colliders, which you will learn are fundamental components of gameplay. Next, in the second section, we will examine how to create the necessary functionality that allows users to control the player characters that we create. We will look at both default and custom controls. Specifically, we will use left, right, forward, back, rotate, walk, run, and jump controls. In the third section, we will focus on animating our characters. We will import several animations created using external software. We will also use Unity 5's embedded tools to create simple animations of our own. We will instantiate these animations in a game environment. Most large game projects include game objects that are created outside of Unity 5 with sophisticated 3D modeling tools. We can also create basic game objects from within Unity. That will be the focus of our Building Game Objects section. In this section, we will create a few basic game objects and use them in a game environment. In the fifth section of the course, we will import several assets into our game. We will use both the Unity Asset Store and pre-prepared assets for inclusion in a test game environment. We will explore the possible uses for such assets. In the sixth section, you will learn how scripts are created that help control gameplay. Don't worry, you do not need to be a C#, JavaScript, or Boot programmer. We will explore the steps involved in adding and modifying scripts in a game. In the course's last section, we will explore how to test your game. This might sound rudimentary, but there are some key factors that you should consider when testing your game, and we'll cover those in this section. By the end of this course, you will have a good understanding of how to implement a character controller, understand how character navigation works, be familiar with using animations and creating your own basic animations, understand how to build game objects, be able to import and use assets, be familiar with game scripting fundamentals, and understand how to test your game. You will not need any previous programming experience or experience with Unity or other game engines in order to benefit from this course. We'll get you up to speed quickly. Hopefully, you have a passion for creating 3D games. Okay, let's get started with this exciting learning journey.